How do you clean your TV? What do you use? Do you use water? Or you don't clean it? Or you just use a piece of cloth and you think it is done? So in this video of today, I'm going to show you how you can clean your flat TV screen using window glass cleaner. You are welcome to my channel, Felix Techno Ed. We help you increasing your knowledge through technical videos. If you're new here on this channel, make sure you subscribe today. Maybe your home is near muddy road or your TV is installed near the kitchen. And smokes and dust may obstruct the screen, may reduce the video quality or image quality displayed on your screen. Window glass cleaner like this one. This window glass cleaner, it is available at your list shop. Also, it is not expensive. So another thing you will need, it is a piece of cloth, soft piece of cloth, not hard one. Can use similar with this one. Check if it is soft, otherwise it is going to scratch your TV screen. So don't use water, because water cannot evaporate quickly. So once it is used to clean the screen, it will enter here. I think you can see here. If it enters here, there is a lower tick on, it will create short circuit. If it creates short circuit here, what will happen at the end of the day is that you will see there will be the blank screen. But for this one, this window glass cleaner, you can see here, it cut grease, no streaks, double action formula. It removes grease, it removes dust, also it leaves the surface sparkling. So as I have told you, you can see this is a window glass cleaner. Here there is a cap. Here it is in a off. You can lead and you can twist it like this. It is in a on position. So now how you can do it, don't spray directly here, because if you spray directly here, this substance will go down. If it goes down, because you see the TV is stand like this, if it goes down, it will inflow inside here. The good thing is to spray here. Spray here and wipe. Or can spray while this is down like this, and wipe directly or wipe immediately. Do not let this glass cleaner to enter here. If it enters here, as I have told you, if it evaporates quickly, it can leach the components, electronic components, and create issues. Spray and wipe, spray and wipe, spray and wipe. Or you can spray directly here and wipe after. Spray and wipe, spray and wipe. Nice work. So try it at your home and let me know in a comment. This is how you can clean your flat TV screen using window glass cleaner. Hey guys, I hope you have seen how you can clean your flat TV screen using window glass cleaner. If you are happy with this video, let me know in a comment. Drop it in a comment section. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.